In this video, we're going to cover the question, what about an empty cart? So you may have noticed when you were poking around or testing your application that if the cart is empty, then it shows information about the totals, but there's nothing really to see. And ideally, you'd probably want to tell the user, hey, your cart's empty, there's nothing here. So we'll actually modify the code to kind of support this. And so what I'll do is I'll make one quick minor update for the logo link in our application. And this is on our app component.html file. So just a quick minor update here. This is kind of unrelated to the empty cart item, but I simply wanted to fix this because this is something that's been lingering here for a bit. So let's select the file app component.html. I'll move in to the menu sidebar section and zoom in, and I'll update the href here for the link on our logo. And I'll make use of router link to make use of the Angular routing, and this will go to /products. And that's something that I should have fixed much earlier, but anyway, we got it taken care of now, so we're all good to go. Okay, so now back to the real issue here as far as actually displaying the empty cart message. So moving back to our cart details component.html, I only want to show the table of the cart items only if we have some data to show. If not, I want to give the user a message, hey, your cart is empty. So I can make use of an ngIf and just check the size of the cart items. So here I'll have cart items.length greater than 0. If so, then we can go ahead and handle all the table stuff and so on. Let me just do a cut paste on that /div. Move it down to the bottom of the table. So place it right after the table. And then make sure you have those 3 divs there at the bottom, just to make sure all the placement is correct. Alrighty, so if we save that, then that should help get us started. Let me just highlight everything here for the table and just tab it in just so everything's lined up. That looks pretty good. So here we have the ngIf just checking the cart items.length. All right, so swing over to my app and click on the cart, and okay, it's not displaying the table, it's displaying nothing. So that part is working, but I also want to show a message if the cart is empty. Okay, so we're almost there. And so we can add this support by making use of an ngIf and just checking to see if cart items.length equals 0, then we display whatever our message is. And so here we'll simply give our message, your shopping cart is empty. All right, so we can save this and swing back into our browser. Alrighty, so there's the message. Let's just go through the full app here and test it out. So going over to our shopping cart icon, And okay, good. So your shopping cart is empty. Great. So this is working out just fine. Now let's add some items to the cart and see how that part works out. Alrighty. And okay, good. So we only see the cart if there's actually some items in the cart. If not, we get the error message as desired. So this is great. Good job.